We don't know what's happening.
So far, Hannah, what's happening here?
I-ask ko si ChatGPT ang nangyari ngayon.
We just entered the resto. I just entered the resto and we're served. Kakain nyo lang daw eh. Nag-hindi siya. Sige lang, okay lang. And we asked the driver to come inside because so much food. Okay. So you have ito, fish ma ha?
Delicious,
Chicken. Yun, masarap. Kung tingnan mo parang marami, pero doable naman siya. So the place is just, mami.
You only charge for the dishes you consume.
Yeah,
Any untouched plates are not billed and are returned to the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Sige.
What are the touched dishes?
So, maganda yung kanya, no? Because this is
The soup.
yung Indonesian resto. Mabilis, bigay lang sa'yo, tapos bahala ka na kung hindi mo balik mo, no?
Ano gusto mo? Ito, parang pinawala.
Masarap to.
So I touch this. Right, kasi ito yung parang
Ah.
parang sa hindi turuturo. Kala ko turuturo eh, yun yung alam ko eh.
Oo.
Ano siya, but you just charge you what you want.
Problema, saan yung mga bowl mo, extra bowl? For sabaw, dyan, diretso na siya.
Diretso na.
Okay. Curious, no? So, ito yung place, oh. Aircon place in Jakarta.
Inom mo na bigla.
Sabi niya, oh, I have a stomach ache because I drank.
If we can eat faster, it's
So,
better.
Hannah searched it online and she found out that sa kadami-dami ng order, no? Only the dish that you touch, you will be billed. The rest, so strange lang siya, strange lang for us, but okay.
Kain na.
This one, ano to siya? Beef?
We have no idea.
Huh?
Just get. There's probably a ano there, kambing.
Uy,
Find out
sarap.
kung ano.
Nice. Tilapia. Ano? Tingnan natin. Sige,
Ako
let's see.
tilapia.
Here. Tilapia yung tilapia. It's your favorite. Aircon na place here in Jakarta, na? What is good dito is mabilis lang, no? Pagdating mo,
Yeah.
which has some content talaga.
Context of fish on.
Yeah, I think